Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find or how to add your job on your account, on profile, on Rednote, easy and quickly. So the answer is easy. Just first of all enter the application and you will find here in the bottom and the right the profile. Click on it and now you will find this profile section. Click on it. Here you will find job, and as you see you can choose any job you want. Click save, and also you can choose if you want to show job or don't show it. You can just click here or anything, and that's how to add your job. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.